Hey everyone, so now that we are in ChatGPT, I'm going to show you how the different chats work. So basically what's happening here is ChatGPT over here on the left side keeps track of every different conversation you have with it. So I just started this conversation, said it's my first time here. It said, what would you like to do today? So maybe this is going to be for my personal workout routine. So I'll just say I want to create a new personal workout plan. Enter, and it'll start responding. And you can see it immediately starts asking you different things. So to make your workout plan effective, share more about it. So it's asking me for more information. And what's happening here is in this conversation, it's going to start building context. It's going to start, you can see it says memory updated. It's going to start remembering the things I tell it so it can actually give me more sophisticated answers and ideas for what I'm actually trying to achieve. Now, let's say I'm talking about my personal workout plan, but I also want to do some work on my venture for it. So I probably don't want to cross those two conversations just to keep it clean and clear. And so over here on my the sidebar, you have these chats. The first thing you're going to do is rename the chat I'm currently in. So let's just put this as personal workout plan. You hit enter and it should save. And now if I want to start a new conversation, I just come up to the new chat button right up here, the little right symbol. I hit new, and now it pops up again, and I can just start chatting. So now I want to work on my business venture. And I hit enter, and you see immediately over on the left, as I'm getting my response, ChatGPT has already created a new chat. So it's asking me what kind of business venture am I working on, et cetera, et cetera. If I want to go back to my personal workout plan, I just go ahead and click on that conversation and it'll load back up. I will say as the conversations get longer and longer, sometimes it'll take, 5 seconds to load or so, but it brings up everything that you talked about and it reminds itself essentially of what you guys are working on, and you can go back and forth between the two and have no problems whatsoever. So again, you want to start building context. I'll do more about that in future videos, but these are just a quick overview of how to use different chat conversations with ChatGPT.